Experiencing a Maytag Maxima XL dryer not heating? You're not alone. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing common issues like a faulty heating element, blown thermal fuse, or a blocked vent. These models, particularly those from 2014 and 2017, like MHW 8000AW and W8200FC, are prone to these problems as they age. We'll focus on DIY solutions and preventative maintenance to save you time and money. The dryer's heating system has three key components. First, the heating element, a coil resistor that generates the heat. Second, the thermal fuse, a safety device that cuts power if the dryer overheats. Third, the vent system that expels hot, moist air. When the dryer isn't heating, one or more of these components may be faulty. Begin by unplugging the dryer from the electrical outlet to ensure safety before any inspection. Next, check the dryer's control panel for any error codes that may be displayed. These codes can indicate specific issues like overheating or power problems. Check your home's power supply. Electric Maytag Maxima XL models require 2 and 20 volts. Use a multimeter to verify the outlet provides the correct voltage. Examine the vent hose for kinks or blockages. A clogged vent restricts airflow, causing overheating that can trigger the thermal fuse. Regular cleaning improves drying efficiency by 20 to 30%. The thermal fuse is a common culprit in no-heat issues. It's located on the blower housing. Use a multimeter to test its continuity. If the multimeter reads 0 ohms, no continuity, the fuse is blown and needs replacing. Be sure to purchase a model-specific replacement fuse, such as WP3392519 for many XL units. If the thermal fuse tests fine, the next step is to check the heating element. Begin by unplugging the dryer for safety. Unplug the dryer and access the element. Consult your dryer's service manual for specific instructions on removing the back panel or accessing the element. Use a multimeter to check the heating element's continuity. Set the multimeter to the ohms setting and touch the probes to the element's terminals. A healthy heating element should show resistance between 10 and 15 ohms. This indicates proper continuity and functionality. If there's no continuity or infinite resistance, the element is likely burned out and needs replacement. Look for visual signs like charring or damage. If the element is faulty, replace it with a compatible part to restore the dryer's heating function. Replacing the thermal fuse or heating element is a straightforward DIY task. Start by disconnecting power completely to ensure safety. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing it carefully. This exposes the internal components. Locate the faulty component. The thermal fuse is typically on the blower housing, while the heating element is near the vent area. Disconnect the wires from the old component, noting their positions for correct reconnection. Install the new thermal fuse or heating element and reconnect the wires to the same terminals. Finally, reassemble the dryer by replacing the back panel and running a test cycle to verify the fix. YouTube tutorials provide visual guidance for this process. Regular vent cleaning is critical for maintaining your Maytag Maxima XL dryer's performance and preventing no-heat issues. Clogged vents like this can cause overheating and trigger failures. Follow these steps. Disconnect power, remove the vent hose, and vacuum lint from the dryer, hose, and exterior vent. Aim to clean your vents at least annually, or more frequently if you use the dryer heavily. Here's the cleaning process in action, removing the built-up lint. Neglecting vent maintenance can lead to repeated failures and higher energy bills, costing about $75 annually and wasting 500 kilowatt-hours per year. Experts estimate that thermal fuse failures account for 45% of no-heat diagnoses in Maytag dryers. Regular vent cleaning and component checks can prevent 60% of failures. For older XL models, proactive care is essential. While newer dryers boast improved thermal management, maintaining your current unit is key to extending its lifespan and avoiding costly replacements. Also consider that there was a class action lawsuit against Whirlpool for these dryers. Check to see if you are eligible for compensation for prior repair bills.